How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2023 Cadillac Escalade. Pretty simple door panel to take off. All there is two covers and around like 5 size 7 bolts in the door. First, we'll go ahead and remove our two covers. You have one behind the door handle and one also in the grab handle. Then we'll go ahead and remove the screw behind the door handle. Remove the two in the grab handle. And then you'll have two on the bottom side of the door panel. Alright, now we'll grab our panel popping tool and just start at the corner, kind of work our way around. There is a clip up here by the door handle, so whenever you're pulling on the door panel, try to use your hands and work your way up. That way you're not putting a ton of stress, because that clip will sometimes, agitate the panel itself. Just kind of work your way around. There it goes. Obviously work your way up. Sometimes you gotta reach your hand in there too and pop it. Alright, looks like we have all of them, so now let's go ahead and lift up on the door panel. And voila, there's the front door. Now we'll move on to the rear door. Alright, now we're on the rear door. Same process, which is one less bolt on the bottom side of the door. So we'll go ahead and start off by taking our covers out. Just grab your pick. There's one little cutout in the actual handle. So just put your pick in there and pry on it. It should pop free. And you have the one in the grab handle. Pull it out, it's a little rubber cover. That'll show our bolts. And then we'll grab the one on the bottom side of the door panel. Same thing, grab your trim tool piece and just kind of work a corner. Work your way around the border. And then pull upwards. You might have to jiggle it kind of back and forth. Alright, and there you go. So that is the front door panel and the rear door panel on a 2023 Cadillac Escalade. Thanks for watching.